Welcome to the Kryptonite. So, liquidation day. I did keep repeating, just look for those liquidations, levels, be aware of it. And if you go and check, honestly, it did scale back almost to the May 50 for many coins. We were kind of oversold, right? And then we drastically went lower. And especially on the day, I think it's going to help out these coins that they were kind of overbought, sorry. Now they're good to go. Now, once again, I don't know what was the reason. Was it because we had more than 550 million in liquidation? Or I mean in leverage. That it got liquidated. Those are the numbers I got up to now. So we could check the bubbles. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so very red day. I did have some ICP and RUNE orders. I did tell you that I was going to do those kind of things and waiting for those kind of things. So, okay, let's go ICP now. Don't know what happened here. How come it went that crazy? That ditch? No, not even. Anyway, let's go and check what happened. All right, so we do have some key points, and honestly, we didn't even went that crazy low, right? Because I don't see really something crazy for ICP, and we didn't even go and touch the previous resistance. So that's something I was looking forward. We didn't got that. Now, maybe if I take out the impulsive movement here, maybe we do have something. Yeah, we kind of reach almost the 0.5. Let me see here just to be sure. And today, like my alarms are crazy. Are just going on and off. Yeah, I mean, very crazy. Let me check that. I think I didn't leave any. Yeah, let me expand a little bit so we see more. There you go. So once again, you can see that I don't know why what's that? Let me take out this and that. So it did a very nice correction, right? So it was making a higher high and suddenly a brutal 25% off. I did tell you guys, look for those things, look for the previous resistance that becomes support. So we had this, and yeah, my order got triggered. Also, well, I say that, but I had two, I think OPTIMISM and some of RUNE got liquidated. And yeah, I mismanaged my funds. And then when there is no more funds, and it goes too low, then you get liquidated. And I think that's because my order got triggered lower prices. And yeah, that's what happened. And you can see that, yeah, it's really sad because I got liquidated. I don't know how many hundreds of up that I had. And but it's part of the game. Part of the game. So if I go on the weekly once again, let's see here. So we had a block of previous resistance here, and we went just below exactly at those candle here. So nothing new, nothing crazy. But I did add some orders also. So some got liquidated because of my order. I mismanaged my funds. But yeah, so that's for one. And yeah, let me check RUNE now. RUNE, I had an order at 490. And I should have gone even lower than that. I think now I raised my my Fibonacci retracement, but I did a block here, right? There is a reason, and it was 480, and then I said, you know what? I'm going to put my order a little bit higher, just to be sure that I get it. And once again, it did trigger, and now I'm up. And now I'm waiting. If it goes below again, I'm going to accumulate more. Maybe it's not deal done, right? Because we do now, start to see that maybe we're doing this wave here like that. And then we're channeling down. And as you can see that, I just copied this downtrend and I put it here, and it hit perfectly that line. Also, I was like, yeah, this was the wave A. I took the line to the wave A, I added to the wave B, and this is where we get the 1.618, and almost got there. And we have so many others that they just stopped at the, no, I don't remember which one. Should I go one by one? I think Avalanche is stopped to the MA50. Yeah, no. How crazy is that, right? And this was the third wave, fib retracement, fourth wave, 0.5, stop there. I mean, that's amazing, or what? So that was a premium buy order limit. Here another one, same thing, MA 50, and now it's kind of recovering. Actually, they already recovered pretty much, maybe almost 50%, maybe 30%. So I went down a nice discount of 21%, and from that price he already recovered 9%, almost 10%. So this is how we can make money quick fix, right? And there are so many. I think that wasn't that bad, but you see all the big ones, they really had this MA50 acting as a support, and after bounce back. File, did it do the same thing? I don't remember. It didn't do as much. Actually, File, it was crazy. Yeah, it did freaking correction, another 25%. Phantom almost touched the MA 50 once again. So you just go and check them all. They pretty much did almost the same thing. KAVA, I know what are the odds. No, that's Casper. Okay, that or Casper. And now maybe doing a double bottom eventually. Who knows? We shall see. KAVA, it was crazy, right? Or maybe is the chart that look worse, but it looks like 30%. Is it? No, it's about everybody 25%. So today was a very nice shopping day, and if you did enjoy, well, continue to enjoy, because some are they didn't recover yet, right? Could go even lower, so be careful about that. And I think there was one coin that it was amazing, and I think it was it Sui? Don't remember, but no, it wasn't Sui. I think it's one of the only that it was green again. Let me go and check here. Ah, yeah, say I was looking at it, and then I was, maybe I should get in, and yeah, say when I saw it, he was here, already recovering, right? And then I had to go to work. I didn't thought about it. I forgot about it. Can you believe it? It went to up to 105. Amazing, astonishing. Only in crypto you can see those kind of things. So now, don't freak out. Bitcoin now, it's also recovering, as you can see. Now, can it go lower? Definitely can go lower, so be careful. But I found it's a good opportunity to it was a good opportunity to get some coins. It still is, because Ape, you have some coins that they're still 10% discount. Okay, so can they go lower? Yes, but for sure, if we take, I don't know, fire, before it was $8, now it's $6.50. Pretty good. For sure, we could have bought it at $5.70, but it's still good. I still take it. Anyway, so, and also you can see that price now, it's just acting as a support of this previous hike here, right? Previous resistance now is acting, looks like, as a support. It's a little bit early now to to predict if it's going to hold, but MA 50, $5.17. So is it going to go and touch at those level? Once again, almost touched the previous peak here. So that's why I was saying, place your orders. And if you want to play with leverage, just do 2-3x. And I mean, from here to the current price, and for sure it just happened now, you need to be a little bit patient, but you know, 2-3x, you made almost 40%. If you wait, that is going to go higher. We're talking about 150%. And you know, playing with 2-3x, it's I would say it's not crazy as being, you know, placing a 10x. So if we are reasonable, we can use these two and you know, grow our portfolio faster, but we only use a minimum of our overall percentage of the portfolio because we don't want to get wrecked, right? And yes, I got liquidated. 2 out of my 10 trades got liquidated, but then I had lower orders. So sometimes you lose, you snooze, but sometimes you lose to gain more. So I'd rather lose a little bit and getting a very nice entry point with you know, bigger leverage if you can make it happen. So this is what I was preaching in my last, I don't know, month and so, and we're going to see many of those now. Bull market, it just started, so just remember, we can look for those wicks, predict where they're going to go, about what was their previous resistance, that can be support, put an order a little bit higher. Like example, for this case, you can see that if I did put the order here, I wouldn't have had it. That's why we can put several orders. I did have a box here, so yeah, Phantom, I didn't have the order for this one specifically, but this is the area that I would have looked for it. So this, let's say for example for Phantom, I would have put an order here, and I would have put another one here a little bit higher. Alright, so this is pretty much all. Just to have a recap, liquidation happened, and especially with the ETF saga now, is it going to get approved, not approved, and then you have leaked fake news, it got rejected, everybody's reacting after it's not true, and you know, like, so don't get trapped to those news or fake news. And you know, market is going to be like that, I believe, until we don't have a real answer. Is it going to be approved or not? And anyone is going to say something and price is going to skyrocket or plummet or plunge. So be safe out there. I did tell you, you know, the last 2-3 weeks, tighten up your self-stop limits, and that was the reason, right? So we can enjoy lower prices, discount prices, 25% discount. It's an amazing deal. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video, and we know what are the odds that I just made a bigger video this morning, early morning, to say, you know, this coin, I'm looking for it, it looks like they're cooking, they're going to be ready to go. And unfortunately, they did go, but not the good direction. Oh my goodness, look at this Arbitrum, you know? Amazing, amazing. Can you imagine? Yeah, once again, this was a previous resistance that became support. So if you did add an order here, you would make now 37%. Wow, amazing. I mean, we gotta love crypto. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day and stay strong.